Apple will be introducing its iPhone 17 series in the global market this year. The lineup may include the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Ultra. While the lineup and features has not been confirmed at the moment, the leaks have provided additional details about the iPhone 17 Pro camera setup. Leaker Majin Buu, who has accurately shared some details of upcoming iPhones in the past, has posted a new article with a little more information about the telephoto camera on the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. As with the current iPhone lineup, only the Pro models are expected to feature the telephoto camera. According to his latest intel, the telephoto camera will feature a 48-megapixel sensor, replacing the 12-megapixel version found in previous models. Unlike the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which had a 5x zoom, 120mm, the iPhone 17 Pro will come with a 3.5x zoom, 85mm. This new zoom level is considered more natural for portrait shots, balancing reach and clarity. One of the most interesting features is Apple's plan to allow a 2x crop zoom, utilizing the center 12 megapixels of the 48-megapixel sensor. This means users will be able to achieve a 7x, 160mm, zoom without losing optical clarity. Additionally, digital zoom will extend beyond this range, though with some loss in detail. Beyond the telephoto upgrades, Apple is reportedly making enhancements across the entire camera system. The primary sensor is expected to be larger, improving low-light performance, dynamic range, and noise reduction. Another rumored improvement is the introduction of variable aperture technology, which would automatically adjust based on lighting conditions. This could allow sharper images in bright settings and better light capture in dark environments. Eye-powered image processing is also set to play a bigger role in photography. Apple is expected to refine features like skin tone accuracy, noise reduction, and scene recognition, ensuring that images appear more natural and detailed. Video recording is rumored to get a major boost with the potential introduction of 8K recording, a feature that rivals like Samsung have already implemented. The iPhone 17 Pro may also bring improvements to cinematic mode, offering pro-level manual focus adjustments and better edge detection for background blur effects. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to launch in September 2025, alongside the new iPhone 17 Air model. More details will likely emerge as Apple finalizes its announcements. So, what are your thoughts on these camera upgrades? Share it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.